I'm about to show you how you can set up your stand on Please Donate. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So Please Donate is this minigame where people can donate you Robux and you can get a load of Robux completely for free. And by default, if you go to Please Donate and try to claim a stand like this, you will see I don't have any button and people can't donate me. So I'm gonna show you in this video how your stand can look something like this, where you have buttons and people can donate you Robux. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is I'm going to close the game because we need to go to the Roblox website. So close Roblox completely, and then once you're at the Roblox website, go to create. Then once you are here, you need to scroll down until you see this option to go to the Creator Hub. So click there. If you don't see something like that, you need to go to create.roblox.com and that will bring you to this page right here. So once you are here, you need to go to Creations and you will see you have a place by default. So you need to click on your place. Your username will appear right there. And once you're in your place, we're gonna create game passes. So basically game passes are the buttons that will appear in our stand. So to do that, you need to go to this left menu and scroll down until you see passes right here at the monetization category. So if the monetization looks like this, you need to click it and then passes will appear. So click right there and now we can create a pass. So once you click there, you need to fill in the information of your game pass. So you can put an image for the button. So I'm gonna change the default image. In my case, this is the image I'm gonna put. Then we're gonna put a name for this button. So for example, get your pizza. And then we can set a description if we want to. This is optional. So for example, by donating, you will get this pizza. Okay, after that, we are gonna create the pass, and this is the button that people will see when they are going to donate you. As you can see, now we have our first button, but this is off sale, so people can't donate right now. To configure this, we're gonna click on the button again, then go to sales, and now we are gonna put the item for sale. So enable this option and we are gonna set the price in Robux. So for example, let's say this button will be 100 Robux. So the button will appear as 100 Robux and people can donate you this amount and you will get 70% of the price because Roblox will always keep a small part of the amount. So save the changes. And that's it. Now we can create as many passes or buttons as we want. I'm gonna create another one real quick. So for example, another button and no description, no image. I'm gonna create this one and set it, for example, as just 5 Robux. And I will get 3 if people donate. So that's it. After that, I'm gonna go to Roblox. I'm gonna go to Please Donate. And let's see if the buttons or the stand is working correctly. Okay, now I'm here at Please Donate. I'm gonna go to an empty stand and claim my stand. You need to hold E. And now, as you can see, I have 2 different buttons and I can edit my stand. For example, please donate below. And this way people can donate you. They just need to go to your stand and they can now click the buttons. As you can see, it has the name and the image I said, so they can just click there. And in my case, I obviously can't donate to myself, but people can basically click the button and donate Robux on your stand. So that's it. That's how easy you can set up a stand on Please Donate. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.